Deputy Commissioner Madam Sara Hayat Gundal. Deputy Commissioner Madam Sara Hayat Gundal has arrived here at the Masjid Hayatun Nabi, and she is here to cut the cake on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal, Eid Miladun Nabi. She is accompanied with the rest of the high-ranking officials here, and DPO Saab, Honorable Ahmed Muhyiddin Sahab has also arrived here. Assistant Commissioner, all the district administration is here to somehow, and this I believe that the cake cutting ceremony will begin here within a couple of minutes, since all the district administration has arrived here. MLA Major Tahir Iqbal Sahab, Deputy Commissioner Sahiba Madam Sara Hayat Gondal Sahiba, and DPO Sahab Honorable Ahmed Muhyiddin Sahab is here. All the district administration is here, assistant commissioners are here, ADC is here, and he is being received by the Abdul Halim Naqshbandi, who is the chief khatib of this masjid, and all of that. You can see that she is presenting a book, to another officer of the district administration. All of these people are here, and they people are, you can say that here it is the biggest ceremony on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. It is the biggest ceremony of Eid Miladun Nabi or 12th of Rabiul Awwal here in this district. So for all that reason, all of these district administration people are here. MNA Sahib is here, Deputy Commissioner Sahiba, DPO Sahab, and all the high-ranking officials are here, and they will be cutting a cake on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal on the Eid Miladun Nabi. This is by far the biggest ceremony on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal here in this district, the district Chakwal. So keeping in view all that, it is very important occasion indeed, and within a couple of minutes, they will be cutting the cake here on the largest cake here in this masjid, and here in this district they will be cutting the cake on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal on the Eid Miladun Nabi. All of these high-ranking district officials, MNA Sahab and the Deputy Commissioner Sahiba and DPO Sahab, all the high-ranking officials are here, and they are here to somehow, to cut the cake on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal on Eid Miladun Nabi. So that is why they are dressed in the, you can see that maybe they will be participating in several other ceremonies as well, but this is by far the most important ceremony here in this place, a place which is called Masjid Hayatun Nabi. It is a masjid as well as it is a seminary, and every year this ceremony is held here. Every year this ceremony is held here, and by the Abdul Halim Naqshbandi Sahab, who is the chief of this religious seminary. This seminary as well as in the masjid. So you can see that all of these district administration people, these people are here. All of these people are here. The large crowd is gathered here across the city, across the test, and that is why you can see that large number of people are gathered here, and all of these are here to somehow see the cake cutting ceremony by the Deputy Commissioner Sahiba, by the DPO Sahab, and by other officials, by MNA Sahab, MLA Major Retired Tahir Iqbal Sahab here. You can see that all of these police officials are here, somehow, do this to somehow make sure that it all remain orderly, to make sure that it all remain peaceful. Let's talk to the crowd here, and it is a very charged crowd. This is a very charged crowd, and you can see that they are all that is why you can see that all of these people, all of the distance study
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين صدق الله العظيم اور جو یہ کیک ہے اس کا بھی احترام ہے. تمام حضرات سے گزارش ہے آگے نہ آئیں. معزز مہمانان گرامی کیک کاٹیں گے پھر انشاءاللہ کے بعد یہ کیک ڈیوائڈ کریں گے. تھوڑا سا آپ ڈسپلن اور مسجد مدرسہ اس کیک کا احترام کر دیں. کائنڈلی آپ کی بات
قائم رکھنے کی توفیق عطا فرمائے. کمشنر صاحبہ ڈی صاحبہ میری تعریفات دیگر حضرات کو یہاں تشریف لائے اللہ سب کا آنا اللہ قبول فرما لیا. اللہ تیرے محبوب کی عظمت کی خاطر آئے تھے. حضور قدوس صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی ولادت باسعادت کی خوشی میں آئے. فرش والے تیری شوقت کا علوم کیا جانے. خسروا عرش پر اڑتا ہے تیرا تیرا الہ العالمین. ان کا آنا بھی قبول فرما. کہ عمل کو جلوس نکالنے کے عمل کو اللہ
بڑا چاہیے تو وہ جو سارا ایک بڑی وجہ تو سامنے
ونور عرشه محمد والی واصحابہ اجمعین. میڈیا کے لیے اللہ
MMA Sahab needed to divide look at the crowd. I wonder why and how these people have gathered here. wonder. That is something really very interesting. Let me show you from the above the table. If I could show you that all these crowds are here. Wonder, I wonder. Inside is Madam Sara Hayat Gunjal, who is Deputy Commissioner Chakwal. Here people are fighting over the cake. What is going on? Or what the hell is going on here? You can see that wonderful things are going on here. Look at what is going to happen with the cake. Oh, let's see the cake. All of these people are here to eat the cake. But will they be able to get a piece of cake? Maybe not. And you can see that on these people, why are they gathered here? What they want actually? Look at the people are standing here. And there is a